Hello guys, welcome to Dora's Stitch Sheet. Today we're going to be learning how to take body measurements using this female mannequin. So here is our mannequin, female obviously. We have our measuring tape. I got mine for 200 naira. You can get it in any sewing shop. So this is the bust area of this mannequin. This is the under bust circumference. This below that is the half length circumference. This is the hip circumference, and the next thing to note is the shoulder. In order to take your shoulder measurement, you take your one point of your tape, that is starting from 1 inch, you take it to the other point of your shoulder and get the accurate measurement. You write that down. The next thing to do is to take your bust circumference. You measure round your busts and you also write it down. This is what I'm doing here. I think what I got there was 33. Make sure to write it down so you don't mix it up. The next thing to do is to take your under bust circumference. That is the smallest part of your waist region. The next thing to do is to take your half length. It's just above your belly button. Yes, you take your half length circumference. You also take your shoulder to your under bust length. Now this is a length, not a circumference. You see where I'm taking from my shoulder slope to under my bust, and then you also take that point of your shoulder slope to your half length where my middle finger was pointing. The next measurement to take is your hip circumference, like this, and you write it down too. The next measurement to take is your full length. That is from your shoulder slope to your desired length. So guys, that's how to take a measurement. Thank you.